Hey guys, this is Eric here, and today we're gonna do all of my Bluetooth speaker of the sound test. So I have an iOS phone about the birthday Pixar. So let's see. So let's start up a two boom ring light party speaker. There's the low battery can sound would be.
Power on. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
See the Bluetooth. See.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully. Power off.
See, it's the low battery and sound. Yeah. So let's start up the two boom ring light party speaker to another one. Yeah. Start up that speaker. Look at this. The battery is really creepy, man. I don't know. Okay, so like I said, this speaker doesn't connect through wireless stereo. Yeah. So, but first up, let's start up a JBL Flip 6. Can use. Let's see the party boost, volume up and down, playing pause, power, or Bluetooth. I'm gonna power. Yeah, the Flip 6. So let's power the guy up. Let's see. And the party boost. Let's see, where's the JBL Flip 6? Let's see. Okay, Flip 6. Okay, JBL Flip 6, pop right up. Just like that. I'm gonna press the playing pause. Let's see. Bass ring. Just like that. So let's start up a JBL Clip 4. Next up, we got a JBL Clip 4. Let's see. So you got the JBL Clip 4 is the best. The best day, the JBL Clip 4, the carabiner, just like that. Volume down, Bluetooth, power button, or the Bluetooth button. Let's see. You have to press the power button to see any juice. Just like that. You have to put the playing pause. Press the play. That's a maximum volume. Maximum. Let's power off now. Just like that. Start up the Cheeto speakers. Let's see. So I have a mode button. The FM radio. Volume up and down. And also got playing pause. Playing pause. Skip reverse tracks. Let's see. On and off. USB Type C slot. Micro USB Type C slot. So you got micro USB charging slot. So you got TF card slot, or maybe. So you got micro SD card slot. So you got USB A slot. USB A to micro USB, charging your phone or tablet, whatever you got, or deck. So let's see. Power the guy up. Let's see any juice.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Look at that. Does the pictures. The picture of Cheetos. Yeah. I like the Cheetos speakers. Look like a JBL to go. Or the Go speaker. Yeah, the same size the TG166. Yeah. So I'm gonna put a sound test. Restarting this one. Let's see. I have to connect speaker. Okay, let's see. JBL, not JBL. Candy. Where's the Candy? Let's see. Oh, there's Candy. The Candy Bluetooth speaker. Let's see. The Candy Bluetooth speaker. The luxury candy for the okay, doesn't connect yet. Let's see any connected devices.
Connected.
That just like that. This is have a voice prompts. This is connected. I already unboxed it. The Cheeto speaker. Yeah. Let's see. Birthday BG7000. Max volume.
Maximum volume.